Good morning to all of you. In this particular presentation, I will demonstrate one more option strategy for HDFC Bank. And this is a result month, and a result month we have plenty of opportunity to play in the option strategy. And this particular stock of HDFC Bank, if you just go for the internals, you can get to know that 2000 plus it has made its lifetime high. Currently, it is at 1946 level, and we will be just forming because very few days are left till expiry, and 21st they are going to give the result. So 23rd market, 23rd after 23rd, 24th, 3 to 4 days market is there, but still we can get some view on that. So we are just very close near to the 52-week high of this particular stock. And as far as the sector is concerned, we are well aware that this time the banking sectors will not be performing well. So based on that, we cannot say that this bank cannot perform well, this may perform well also. So we have to draw one neutral view and we have to go with the sentiment also. So we have to go with the result sentiment as well as we should be neutral also. These two things we have to balance in this particular strategy. So if you are getting this strategy, you will be knowing that all these strategies, whatever we are giving, it has a track here. So if you just track these strategies, you will come to know TCS also we have expected even a fantastic profit 23,000 plus, and it could have been further more. And Bank Nifty also we have taken, it is at a loss, a small loss. If you just see that here, if you compare, even though one strategy gives you success after 5 or 4 strategies of failure, still you are at a great profit. So this is the benefit of strategic trading. So I will be just going for the HDFC Bank strategy. Same style I will be following like the TCS strategy. So here my approach will be slightly different. I will be slightly, my sentiment wise, I will be forming the strategy towards the downside. However, same time I will be maintaining that if there is a upside breakout happens also, my losses or liability should not be big. So I have taken a one standard deviation analysis of this for the coming 4 days, and I am getting 1950 above. This stock can go up till 1976, 1990 and 2000. If this particular move doesn't continue in the upside direction, then we may have the downside direction, which can first cycle it can 1916, 1902 and 1888. So these are the levels we can expect for the coming 4 days in the HDFC Bank. With this particular view, I am just taking the my option strategy builders tool here, and after taking this tool, I am just going for this analysis for same 4 days. I'm forming a covered call with multiple put option long. So this covered call I have formed. I bought a future. I sold a call. Immediate strike will be 940. I am selling that 1960 call option. So 16 rupees 55 paisa I am selling one lot. So I am buying 1940 put 2 lots at 18.7 average. So this is number of days 4, and I am seeing here if this particular prices goes up to 1957, 19, even though 2000, my loss is being capped at 4,500 level, 4,000 to 4,500 level. I am also making a loss even though post result, post 4 days, if it is consolidating in 1900 band. These two also my loss making zone. Once it is falling below 1913, I am started making the profit, and what is as per my expectation, if it goes to 1884, I am getting a good profit. So if you compare the risk reward, 4 is 4,500 to 13,000, so 1 is to 3 risk reward. For a period of 4 days, 1,56,000 margin is required. 1,56,000 margin is required. And since you are buying 2 lots here, so 37 rupees you are paying and 16 rupees you are receiving, or 17 rupees you are receiving. So 20 rupees means 500 lot size, 10,000 capital also required. So 1,66,000 is required for this thing. And if you are buying these things and if it is going to fall to this level, so Here too also you require some M2M, some 30 to 40,000 rupees M2M is required to hold this strategy till the profitable point. So total fund requirement till the profitable point 1,56,000 margin, 10,000 you require towards the premium, and 30 to 40,000 you require as a M2M requirement to hold the strategy till 1885 level. So this is what you require to initiate this strategy. Initiate this particular strategy and share your experience, that thing. And one thing I just wish to tell you here, many of you will be the professional traders, or many of you will be trading in the market. Always I used to say that there is a scientific method of trading, there is a scientific method of trade forecast. If you buy that idea that yes, I must have a neutral view in the market based on the situation, based on the circumstances, then you must follow option strategy. And option strategy, as I shown to you, I have two things. I have a result sentiment which says that the sector wise it is not going to perform good. However, individual stock how it is going to perform, I do not know about that things. So that is post result only I will come to know. And second view, it says that I must have neutral in the market. So for that reason only I have formed a covered call along with a multiple put option. And that is also having some more other technicals associated with this. If you just go for the net delta, net vega analysis and all, you will come to know that this is also a delta neutral way of things, and many other features available in this particular software. And one standard deviation software not only used for trend forecast, you can use it for your option scanner, stock scanner, many features it has. If you think that yes, these tools can enhance my trading career, then think on these particular tools and adopt it, buy it for your trend decisions, buy it for your future analytical needs, so that you can get somewhat better return in the trading career. So we have fantastic course in the futures and option also, which costs 2000 rupees, available in English and Hindi. If you think that this is a good resource, you can opt for that. And we give a extensive course and softwares. All our products you can own by investing 17,500. Once you spend 17,500, you get access to all our softwares, all our courses. You get WhatsApp group support, wherein all these option strategies will be given. Follow-ups will be given for this particular option strategy. What are the adjustment you have to do, what you have to do, whether you have to come out, whether you have to hold up. So all those things will be given to you. As a full package buyer, you get plenty of supports from us. Number of supports will be given to you to enhance your trading career. If you think that this is a good investment for my trading career, you can opt for our full courses, which will cost you 17,500 plus 990 as GST. And follow us on the Facebook or Twitter. So whenever we upload any video, you'll be informed. If you are seeing this particular video on the YouTube, please do subscribe to this channel so that whenever we upload any video, you will be informed about that. Share this video with your friend. This is just a click of mouse you can able to share. So just a click of mouse you can able to share this particular video. And once you share this video, people also will know about this method of trading and they can get plenty of benefit out of that. If you like, you can give a like or dislike in this video based on your requirement, based on your satisfaction level. So follow us in Facebook or Twitter or in YouTube. Give your feedback on these particular strategies, if any, on that comment section, and experience option strategic trading. Thank you very much. Keep following me.